Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix Hisense Roku TV not turning on. So first one is just simply check the power supply. Make sure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the outlet, and plug the TV directly into a wall socket and avoid power strips. Now another one is just simply perform a power cycle. So unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for 1 to 2 minutes and plug it back in and the power on. And after that, just simply locate the reset button on the back of the TV and just simply press and hold it for about 15 seconds. Release the buttons and wait for the TV to reboot. Now, last option that you have is just simply inspect for indicator lights. So just simply observe any blinking lights on the TV and just simply refer to the TV's manual on manufacturer's website to interpret the blink codes. And there you go. I hope this video helped you make you understand more. Thanks for watching.